Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be dealing with some physical quantities. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. It's very important. And the physical quantity we'll be talking about is vector quantity and scalar quantity. There are some people mix this together. These two quantities are different from each other. We have the scalar quantity and the vector quantity. The scalar quantity is a type of quantity which have magnitude but not direction. But when you talk about a vector quantity, it's just a type of quantity that have both magnitude and direction. These are different. The difference between them is just the direction. Both have magnitude but different direction. Both have magnitude but one has direction while the other one does not have direction. So we have some more example. Okay, let's take for example. The example of scalar quantity are like mass. Mass is an example of scalar quantity because it does not have direction. Then talking about acceleration, velocity, those are examples of vector quantity. For you to understand this very well, mostly these vector quantities change with respect to time. Why these scalar quantities are just like it's constant. They just have magnitude but no direction. For example, let's take temperature as example. Temperature is a scalar quantity, but temperature gradient is a vector quantity. The reason is that when you look at it, some people mix it together, but they have difference. When you talk about temperature, it's just the absolute value. But when you talk about the temperature gradient, that is the difference in temperature, it has direction. So that is why we classify it as vector quantity. Then all these velocity, acceleration, and others, they are vector quantity. Another example is the distance and displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity, while distance is a scalar quantity. The reason is that when you're talking about a distance is just the complete, how far an object moves, just the complete length. But talking about the displacement is the final distance, the difference between the final distance and the initial distance. So that is why it has direction. So that is examples of vector quantity. So we'll be stopping here today. Vector quantity and scalar quantity are not something difficult. So just have to listen to the video and understand it. It's very simple. So that's all about the vector and scalar quantity. They are just very simple topic. One has magnitude direction while the other does not have. Vector quantity have direction while the scalar quantity does not have direction. So the difference between them is just the direction. Thank you.